Hello everyone. So tell me about a time when you had a conflict with teammate. So at Intel, I was working on one of a project involving microservices. Um, so I had a conflict with a teammate regarding communication, regarding the approach for communication between the microservices. So I suggested Kafka for because of its high throughput and scalability. But a team member who is not familiar with Kafka suggested REST APIs. So his concern is that Kafka would add more complexity to the system, and also we can miss the deadline. So my so my task was to take the best design decision possible for the problem at hand, and also to educate the team member about Kafka and its advantages. So first I set up a one-on-one meeting with him to discuss his ideas and perspectives about Kafka, and I acknowledge his viewpoint of using REST APIs for its simplicity, but I discussed about the advantages of Kafka, like throughput and scalability. And to fill the knowledge gap, I also demonstrated a small project using Kafka, so that to tell him that it's not that difficult to implement it if you know about the technology. Um, and so I also suggested a compromise where we can use Kafka for critical components, which need high throughput, which have high throughput, and using Kafka using REST APIs for non-critical services, so that we could leverage Kafka's advantages. So after this discussion, the teammate became more open. After this discussion, the teammate became more open to the idea of using Kafka for critical services. So we took a hybrid approach, and so that we could take use of Kafka. Um, yeah. So through this experience, I learned the importance of open communication, and having a compromise to resolve conflicts. Thank you.